Aloha from Maui, it's Lucky, author and coach, talking to you today about resting. This is from a journaling question on page 163. Describe your thoughts and feelings regarding rest. What does resting look like for you? What does it feel like? Do you take time to rest between chores? Is this working or not working for you? Do you need to take more time to rest? It is important to be productive and to contribute to our own lives and our own growth and contribute to others' lives and be of service, whether it's volunteer work, whether we're serving our family, whether we're serving the world within our own career path. Yes, that's kudos to you for doing all these wonderful things. But it's also important, muy importante, to rest so we can be rejuvenated. And we're human. Our human bodies, our human spirits, our human minds need rest. Yes, after a resting period, we are more productive, but God help us not to do everything just to be more productive. I'm going to rest so I can be productive. Well, if that's a start. If that's the only way that we're going to, get off the hamster wheel of production and rest, that's fine. So take some time this week to journal about resting. Do you rest enough, or maybe you're laying around too much, and then you feel bad, you feel negative about yourself because you're sitting around too much. Maybe we just are all looking for balance. That's generally what I'm looking for in my life. A good balance of work and play, self-care and chillaxation. So I bless you today with the ability and the peace to chillax for the right amount of time. Aloha.